Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert image in WPS Office. If you want to do it, there is one really simple method that I recommend you to know. So first we need to go to Insert tab, and here you have something like picture. You need to click here to insert a picture from a local folder or scanner. After that you need to click from this device, and then you need to select the picture or image which you want to insert. So for example, maybe I will insert this one image, so I click on it and I click open button. After that it will be successfully loaded to our document. Of course, now you can try to resize this image and you can edit this photo if you want. You can go to effects, you can go to shadows, you can add the shadow, for example this one. You can go to effects, you can go to glow, you can add maybe this one glow, or you can go to effects, you can go to more options. And for example, you can add here soft edges. I select here 1 point. I increase the size maybe somewhere here or here. So there are really great effects that I recommend you to check. So in this way you can insert image in WPS Office and make simple effects on it.